Hi everyone, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will be helping you how to activate your Lloyds credit card. So there are actually two methods in order to activate your card. If you want the online form guide, then you should navigate to their website, which is the lloydsbank.com/creditcards/activate.html. You will be prompted to this page right here and just open their secure online form. So right here, you need to tap in this block button, which is the activate your credit card. Then it will have you to fill up this details right here, which will include credit card, your date of birth, and expiry date, and just tap in activate. So the other method is the online or mobile banking app. Just log in and select apply at the bottom of the screen. Then select credit cards followed by the option activate credit card. Next is to check the credit card details, match your new credit card, and then select activate. And both of them will activate your card and is ready to use.